In Nigeria, Anambra State and Onitsha urban center particularly, slum settlements are spreading and growing rapidly. Eboh is a town and a slum settlement in Anambra State, Nigeria. It sits on the east bank of the Niger River and north of the city of Onitsha, the economic hub of southeast Nigeria. Out of 4 identified slums in Onitsha, which are Mami Market Slum, O2 Slum, Eboh Slum, and Prison Slum, Eboh Slum is the largest among all. It is one of the most densely populated slums in Nigeria, attracting as many as 44,000 people per hectare in 1998. As of 2007, Eboh had an estimated population of 177,608. Eboh Slum is one of the earliest fringe settlements that made up the Greater Onitsha, whose origin has been traced to the year 1630. The slum floods during the rainy season and dries up completely at dry season, though the flood remains for a number of times before receding. The plains suffered most of the floods in account of their relatively low and flat deposition with slope angles of 1 degree to 3 degrees.
After the last verse, I did my for 15 years. From there, John is in road construction. So, on Cairo, area, but now, grade, I got dirty. That's a very huge grade. I coach sales. Even over got that in what I had to coach, whatever means zone and whatever means you got. Then I hear Yanaka, just like you say, Mundio Carusia, of no price in Emerosia, I love to see or do it. So I have a problem and because when you get rubber and they can go there in a corridor. Don't I got hour, Agaraga. You need my got I to your man doesn't say Kako. You want to wear
or governments or individual.
You know, no, still a dua, where you are. And you want to work with the career. No, and then I was here by year degree got tired as I was sick. And the Aja, then I made the Akaji, but she got where we is still a gaga. So I have a problem when I face a back at a man. I'm a poor expert. Whatever I wear that, I made the car with that. Near the if the speed, I can put a butcher. Whatever I wear that. We made it to the kind of was it that. And the government got the true gas na Miribia, Yebria Badaba. Baba in the face about street now, this is some Mirizona street now, some Miri. Street here now, Nabasigosonia, because I forgot abroad. Some landlord, they buy France back on from Eboh to ending, back on them. All the rules are also Faro now, they don't kind of face. We have not here. I'll be high for now. Go ahead on here.
Eboh covers an area of 291.967 hectares. It has a high population of low-income earners, comprising mainly of traders, artisans, and farmers living with their families. Eboh's population grew very fast from 31,000 in 1978 to 121,343 in 1996 and to 177,608 in 2007. According to the National Bureau of Statistics on Household and Housing Conditions, revealed that the average number of households per building at Eboh is 6.54. The average number of persons per household is 7.1, and the average number of persons per dwelling is 45.6. While the population density is high, the housing facilities are also poor and mainly bungalows, bachas, and uncompleted buildings, low in height with wooden windows and doors, each room having only one door and one window. Generally, 4 to 6 adults with children share a room of about 3.5 meters by 4.0 meters. There is a poor lighting and poor ventilation in the rooms. There are also bushes between groups of houses, ditches and gutters created by erosion over the years.
Ihe nji like Eboh bụ na onye ọbụla ọ ga-akọba gị like ịbịa dịka n'ihe gbanyere ụgwọ ụlọ and ihe a na-eri cheap like ije na coke akịta amụnye na ị ga-egote ihe very cheap karịa other market. Eboh mara mma mana ebe na-afịazi anyị ahụ n'Eboh ụzọ adịrọ mma. N'anya n'ụzọ efu na ụzọ adịrọ mma.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Get out again.
I'm Felicia Innocent.
Okay.
Felicia Igwe.
Felicia Igwe. Okay. You been Eboh no?
Eboh no.
Okay. How far you been going Eboh?
18 years. Eboh go 18 years.
Okay.
One more to 18 years.
Wow. How many age? 8. Wow, I don't quite know. Okay, because Kedina make it up.
Kanda bocha. They go down what they want bocha.
Okay, you got the business inside.
Oh, Shirike, Manage Mekwan again. Oko Kainaya.
This is Fidelia Orama. I've been local car. I've been about 28 years. I'm a local car. I just found the area. I'm going to pay for it. The business now, I know it's a problem by Ozo. I see where I can buy my book. And I is the Macanamiri. They do a ban in the ban in the bottom. So I need the Yamaka. We cannot go from Yanos Manan Kemiria. You want to open with his Bogota, where's the Bozo? And Kemiria gave an attack. So and they get Gaga because so cocoa, what a pleasure. And they put how many things ever. So I need the Yamaka government. Even self man, only open and with the king and water. I can't quite there. Eboh I from quite go back ever. When you support ya, they put I got the feet on ya. On your brother, after get you got it.
Yes, we need free education in Anambra State. Some children here, they are brilliant, but people their parents do not have money for education, so we need free education in our area.
Our problem in our community is light. Since Tuesday this week, we did not have rights, and we use that right to read and light. So we need government or anybody to help us and fix our rights. Thank you.
It is noted that the condition of a building in which one lives contributes greatly to the overall well-being of the person. I plead to the federal, state and local governments, NGOs and international donor agencies to get involved in helping and improving conditions in the major slum area of Eboh. Thanks for watching, guys. You can as well help the Eboh slum by giving this video 1,000 likes and share this video as much as you can so it can reach to more people who are willing to help improve the conditions in the slum. I will see you guys when next I upload. God.